Hey, this is Kirk with AnEasierWayToTrade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when we come out with more videos. Okay, everybody, this is how you set up your trade copier. Okay, first thing you want to do after you've gotten your hosting is you want to come over and you want to click on Configurator. Go to Accounts. You should be right here. Now, you'll probably see this message right here. If you see this red message, you're doing this over the weekend, and that's basic. That's regular. Don't worry about that. This right here is something new, equity protection. All right, this is for your safety. Okay, but first thing you want to do is click on Add an Account. You're going to click on whatever account you have, MT4, MT5, whichever one. I'm doing MT4. Description name is, you name it, whatever you want to name it. Account number. Get my account number. I'm going to paste that in here. Then account password. I'm going to put this in. This is your trading account password, not the password that goes to you logging into your broker, but your actual trading password and not the investor password, the trading password. Okay. Then you want to select your broker. They're in alphabetical order. Then you want your server, your broker server. All right. I'm going to add account. Now, once it's in here, it's right here. You'll see a circle or timer right here. If it is correct, it'll put a green check. If it is wrong, it'll put an X. Normally takes anywhere from a minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to stop the recording so you don't have to wait for this minute to 2 minutes. And I'll start it back once I get the check. Okay, as you can see, my information was correct. I got a green box. Now, up here, it says you can no longer create new equity protectors. Create equity monitors instead. We're going to go through the video because it does let me create equity protectors. So we're just going to do both of them. And maybe they'll probably phasing this out. But I know for right now it has to do it. All right, so we're going to come over here to Configurator, Trade Copier. You want to create a copier. Okay, you're going to be copying from 4 Figures to Freedom. You're going to send it to your personal account right here, whichever your account is, whatever broker you have. Okay, you're going to select Risk Multiplier by Balance. Okay, Risk Multiplier by Balance. The reason we're doing Risk Multiplier by Balance is because we're only taking one trade at a time. So you don't have to worry about the equity or anything like that. You want to have risk multiplied by balance. Okay. Multiplier of 1, copy existing trades, no, then create the copier. You're going to come over here, use the trade copy at your own risk, read that, put a check, and then click create copier. Okay. Now your copy is created. You see it right here. I believe this is going away. But for right now, it's there because we're going to actually create a equity protector. All right, the red dot, click it, turn the copier on, update. Now come back to the configurator, click on equity monitors. This is the new one, equity monitors. Going to come here, going to create a monitor. Monitor account, which is your account. Monitor type, we recommend protect percentage. Protect percentage means if your account will protect a certain percent of your account, your social trader tools will protect a certain percent. What we're doing is equity percentage is 100. We want to protect 80%. This is what we're doing. Let me explain the difference. 80% is what we're doing. Now remember, we're scalping gold, right? We're doing gold. So we will never walk away from the computer while the trades are running. So realistically, on our end, this stuff doesn't matter because we'll never go over 20%. If we're protecting 80%, means we're risking 20%, right? Well, right now our account's at 562. Yours should be somewhere around the same area. If you started with us and you did risk by equity, like we told you in the first video, you should be close to where we are in that area, depending on your broker, right? So 562, so 20% risk of 562 on one trade would be $112.40. So that means this will protect me, cut me off if my trade goes over $112.40. Well, by us scalping and not walking with a computer, I doubt we'll ever let a trade go that negative anyway, unless we see good technical analysis saying the trade will turn around. But I recommend leaving 20% because remember, we're trading gold, and gold has to have some room to move, right? Gold at trading, if we were trading $2 a pip on gold, then that's roughly 50 pips. We got to give room. We can't do 30 pips or 20 pips, right? We got to give gold some room to run. All right. So this is what we recommend. Now, if you feel safer saying you rather protect 90%, which means, you know, you'd be only risking 10% of your account. Well, then that's your choice. I would just say to that, you won't be giving gold a lot of room to run, and some of it may hit your equity and then not hit our equity, and ours hit TP, and you got stopped out. I think, and this is all based on our preference. You have your own preference. We're saying 80%. Remember, we can't tell you what to do. We don't offer any advice. We're just telling you what we recommend, what we're doing with our account. So the monitor action is we want to email alert, disable the copier, and close the trades. If, for instance, if for any reason our account goes over 20%, this is what I want it to do. Right? You have these choices. I want it to do all three. Again, this part is an extra precaution. I never think it'll really matter to us because we're scalping. We're actually at the computer the whole time, never walking away. But you never know. Computer could shut off for some reason. Something could go wrong. Fire could come up. Anything could happen. This is a precaution, right? So once you got this set, click this little check button. You understand selecting right here. Add equity monitor. So now my equity monitor is added, right? So now I want to come over to configurator. I want to go to email alerts. I do not want any emails. I get enough emails from everything. I don't want any emails. I'm watching it. I know what it's doing. I don't need an email to tell me it closed or it opened or whatever. So I'm going to update. This is your preference. Update. Gets updated. Now I'm going to go back to configurator. Go back to accounts. I want to click on the configure wheel right here. The configure system wheel. I want to go to disable symbols. We're only trading gold. So right now, 179 enabled symbols. This slows your copier down. By having to monitor all these pairs, it slows your copier down. Look at all these non-Forex pairs. It has to monitor for every trade. I only want to trade gold, so we're going to toggle all off. Click off. Go down here and find gold. The last one, turn gold back on. Then toggle all the non-Forex ones off. Then come down and update. Right? Process it now. So I should say only one enabled symbol. 178 turned off. This should make your copier more responsive. All right. So now everything is ready. You got your account there. You got your equity protector done. Go back here. Configurator. Accounts. Okay. The last thing we need to do now is go back to the configurator. Go to trade copier. Click on the settings wheel here. Stops and limits. You want to copy the stop loss? Yes. Copy take profit? Yes. Then update. Copy pending orders? No, because we don't do pending orders. So make sure the stop loss and the take profit are set update. Your copier is running. If you go here to trade copier, you see your copier is running with the green right here. You are set up and ready to take trades. If you have any questions, just get in touch with us.